Liakat sir knows he's a leader, generally speaking. The reason behind that is he knows if he has to lead, he needs to lead himself first. He proves himself to be an icon first. He improves himself, and as I know him a bit for the past 2 months, I know for a fact that before he approaches people, he makes sure that he knows everything about a particular thing, and he spends and he invests time in improving himself daily. Even though he's a professor, he has a huge knowledge, but he knows learning never ends. So he's actually leading himself first and then leading the others around them, and he has that much experience and knowledge in order to guide every person who is coming to Liakat's English, in order to guide them in a way that would benefit them, instead of just going with the basic motto of Liakat's. He deals with people separately with their own agenda. My colleagues are pretty friendly and they are quite professional in what they do. So as an instructor, I know what is my work, and as an admin, if I say, they know their work in a way that maybe I would not be able to be like them. But if I say in lunchtime or times that we're spending together, it is always as if we're respecting each other's work. So I think it's a very friendly environment.